Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Kelly Nichelle. It's been a minute since I've posted on my channel. I should say not on my channel, but I'm back, and I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers that have stayed with me, and if you're seeing this video for the very first time or you're coming across my channel, welcome. And I just want to say it's good to be back, and I hope you guys forgive me for being gone so long. And I would also like to ask you guys just to give me suggestions on things that you'd want to see me do or try. You know, this is a journey. This is a what can I say? It's an adventure. This is an adventure. So let's go on this adventure together. So offer me your suggestions, and I'm open to constructive criticism, you know. So just welcome, and it's good to be back. And for this look that I'm wearing, it's gonna be up on the channel. It's a affordable makeup look. I went to the Dollar Tree, I saw some goodies, and I picked them up. You know, it's $1. How could I go wrong? And I created this look. So that look is coming, as well as other looks. So as I said, it's good to be back, and I'll see you guys later.